All right, this is a set of guitar wall mounts. Now, I bought this as a 2-pack, and it's not sponsored. Bought these myself, so wanted them for my Guitar Hero controllers. I'm not gonna fool with open up this one because they're completely identical, but I'll open up this one and show you what comes in here. And then, of course, we'll install it and show you what it looks like. So this is the simple mount itself, and as you can see, these easily turn out to hold the guitar. And there's a hole here and a hole here for the 2 screws with 2 anchors that they give you if you need anchors. And so your 2 screws go in, this goes on the wall, and your guitar slides in place. Let me throw these on my wall and grab my Guitar Hero controllers and show you what this exactly looks like. About the easiest setup you can do, you just find you a stud and screw in your 2 holes, or of course you can use the paper and put in anchors and that whole nine. Thank you. We need to label which one's 360 and which one's Xbox One. Now I can just take my guitar and set it in there, and there we go. Let's put the other one up. All right, second one is installed. Go ahead, you do the honors, my queen. This was my queen's idea. And there we go. Now our Guitar Hero controllers are neatly displayed on the side of our beautiful TV and entertainment setup. I think that looks freaking awesome.
I do too.
Like, that was the best idea in the world.
They were just in a corner.
Yeah, this is so much better. If we get more, we'll hang more around the room, you know? All right, that's it for these guitar wall mounts.
Hanging mounts?
Guitar hanging wall mounts. But they didn't send them to me. We bought them for this purpose. So hopefully you guys liked the video. And that'll do it for this one. 2 thumbs up. See you in the next one. Deuces.
Bye!